Hello, shiny, happy people. Sylwia here, and welcome all to my GPT Cashflow Kit review. So here I have the product. Where is it? Here. So yeah, shiny, happy people. This is the newest launch by Mr. Garry Lyn Baker. Shiny, happy people. REM again. Takes me back to 20 years ago when I was working in a Turkish cafe in London, and I would be the DJ as well, yeah, and I would play REM over and over again, and people would be customers, they loved it, but they would say like, REM again. I was like, okay, tomorrow is gonna be Pink Floyd, are you complaining? I was like, no, we like REM. They loved Pink Floyd too, Hood and Shine On You Crazy Diamond. Right, but yeah, Garry Baker is a cool guy. I totally love his launches, products, all of the content he creates because he's amazing. He's so much of a quality guy, quality vendor, and always over delivers. And his products are just so real and so genuine. This is no fluff, guys. This is no BS. This is nothing of a sort like get rich quick, fast, and all of that nonsense. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, I don't mean to be too critical. However, I must say that 95% of Warrior Plus launches are pretty much, shiny objects. Let's face it. However, every now and again, there are diamonds, okay? And this one does shine like a crazy diamond. I'm bringing it to your attention, but it comes with a warning. It's not for naive people who think that making money online will be just like that, okay? It's simple if you have the right strategy, and here is the guy to learn from, but it's not easy because it takes a heck lot of discipline, consistency, and just doing it, all right? So, hey ho, I thought I would make that clear, okay? Also, let me tell you right off the bat, okay, so guys, if you go through my written review, and by the way, I went pretty bonkers with my bonuses. I normally give like 3, maximum 4 bonuses, but I give you actually 5. All custom made. The first one will be my personal case study about something different because this is about GPTs, and these GPTs that Garry has programmed. I'll show you all of the members area. It's just amazing, okay? Right, where was I? So GPTs that Garry has programmed, 15, 1-5, all come with PLR rights, and there are some nuances and caveats to it, so I'll have to explain, I'll have to elaborate, so stay with me. But yeah, my point is that, this case study is about another platform because GPTs like, OpenAI, ChatGPT, if you want to create your own, you will have to have a paid version of ChatGPT, right? Now, in this personal case study, which by the way, I sell, okay, initially I created it as a follow-up, as a real case study after I have gone through and reviewed a product from James Renouve and Max called Hooked, okay, in which they teach you about Poe. And, I went ahead and created my own Poe bots, the so-called, Poe entities. And the beauty of it is that you don't have to be a paid member of that platform to create your Poe bots, okay? So check it out. Guys, again, it's a paid case study now, but if you get this product from me, the GPT Cashflow Kit, you will get it as one of my bonuses. It's actually an unlisted video on my YouTube channel, all over half an hour long, very like step by step. It's cool. It's really, really cool. And then there are some more bonuses, how to make money with, the AI bots. This bonus I created as, So to create this bonus, what actually inspired me to do that, to make that bonus, is a comment that I got under my Hooked review. And that lady was a bit confused.com as like, how do I actually find the demand? Okay, the real demand. So how do I know what Poe bots or GPTs? Okay, you can take it over to GPT, to ChatGPT. It's the same strategy, the same AI bots. I'm just suggesting Poe because you don't have to have a paid account. But in order to use all of these bots, Garry gives you access to as a personal user, right? You don't need a free version of ChatGPT. But if you wanted to create go to that explore option in ChatGPT and create your own GPTs, launch them, share them with people, share them inside of ChatGPT in its like inbuilt marketplace, right? Then yes, you need a paid version of ChatGPT, which, as we know, is around what, $20 a month, something like that. Yeah, I actually pay for it, so I should know. So yeah, but Poe is a different option. And then, guys, how to set up a free funnel? I show you step by step. Okay, if you wanted to resell them, and there's so many ways as to how you can go about making money with these GPTs, or how you can make use of them. You can give them away as bonuses. I mean, your PLR rights are actually on the sales page. So if you go to this, click through the buy now button from my written review, you will be redirected to the sales page, which is beautiful. Again, transparent. That's Garry, cool guy. He's such an amazing content creator. Okay. And he delivers. I love his sense of humor. He's got a slightly sarcastic sense of humor, but he's got a very cheerful personality, yet just emanating with this genuine, real energy, no nonsense, no BS. Okay, so what you see is what you get. He's extremely helpful. And in one of the videos, because to each GPT, you've got a tutorial that's around anything from 20 to even half an hour long, something like that. Okay, it's really comprehensive. I'll show you around in a sec, okay? But I'm sort of like so impressed by it that I'm jumping back and forth because I don't know where to start. But yeah, in one of the videos, he says like, he finishes in such an empowering way, like, go get it, do it, okay? But remember, with every power comes responsibility. This guy is just full of amazing quotes. I love quotes myself as well, so it's cool. It's cool. You know, you can relate to the person better this way when you sort of share the same sense of humor or something like that. So, guys, I show you how to create your fast. So this is like a fast funnel formula. So how to build a mini AI product funnel with PLR content. So it's just perfect. Okay, helps you sell these GPTs in case, if that's what you wanted to do. There's much more you can do with this product, but it's just an option, okay? One of the options. So yeah, and I show you how to do it with Systeme.io. Systeme.io is a platform Garry also loves and works with. And if that wasn't enough, I also give you the so-called fast cash with PLR, so a 3-day launch plan, and I share some free traffic strategies in that bonus as well. All custom made, nowhere else to be found, guys. And again, the first one is a video tutorial. I mean, I sell it, okay? So take advantage of it. You can get it for free if you pick up this product via my written review. Now let's get to it. I'm not gonna sweat over the sales page. I know some people, take the mickey of me saying sweat over. Yes. This is how I talk, okay? If you don't like it, bye. Anyhow, so I'm not going to sweat over sales page. Go check it out. It's something you have access to. But I just want to draw your attention to one important fact, and that's no refunds. Okay, guys? No refunds. Read this before you buy. This is a digital product with full PLR rights, private label rights, which means once you get access, you own it. You cannot return information you've already downloaded, duplicated or used. So this is how it works. So if you're one of those who finds himself or herself with this buyer's remorse thingy, please don't purchase, okay? So Garry is just not beating around the bush here. Right, that out of the way, let's get to it. What is this? Okay, this is I'll show you that as well. Cool. Right, another thing I want to mention is like the cart opens December the 5th at unusual time for Warrior Plus launches, 1 a.m. Central Time. In London, it's going to be 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., something like that. So 7 a.m., I believe. But guys, after the launch is over on the 19th, it's quite a long launch. 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, yeah. 14 days. The price from $15 for the front end, which is like crazy, like still of a deal. So after the launch, it will jump to $197, close to $200, and it is worth it. It is worth it. And you getting it for $15 is like joke of a century. But, well, take advantage while you can. Right, let me show you the members area. So this is hosted on systeme.io. This is the platform Garry loves, but that's not important, okay? I thought I would just mention it. So the GPT Cashflow Kit powered by Prompt Psyops, okay? This is sort of like Garry's brand, I believe. Okay, welcome video. Welcome video. Here he would invite you to join his free school community. He's got quite a few members already in that community, you see? There you go. So this is free community, close to 200 members. These are all action takers, guys. You know, no make money in 2 days. You can start your business in 2 days, but for the income, you will need to wait. You will need to exercise some patience. Like anything in life, okay? Whatever is good takes time, takes energy, but then the payoff is great because you get the reward, you get the satisfaction. That is something worth waiting for. It just tastes good. It tastes better. It tastes real. Okay. All right. Then he will show you, I did say there are some nuances and caveats. Okay. Why is he showing you how to build your custom GPTs? Okay, because as long as these are all the 15 GPTs, you get access here to, you see under this, let me open it up, the GPT Cashflow Kit, all of them, 15 of them. Yeah, there are PLR products, PLR GPTs, but you know, you have to build your own GPTs. Garry will give you the templates, okay? You can change, you can design them according to how Garry has done, okay, and how he shows you and how he walks you through in the templates. Here is the document for that, okay? So here is the overview, and then he talks more about what this whole GPT Cashflow Kit is all about, and then here it starts all the way down to 15. So this is the GPT. If I click through here, it's going to take me to the GPT, okay? And below is how you would program the GPT. If you wanted to create exactly the same GPT, here is the prompts, here is the instructions to do so. So understand, in order to create and launch your own GPTs, and you have all of the information, the video here, how to build a custom GPT. So just follow that video. Okay, here you go to ChatGPT, and the prompts, okay, because you have to feed it information when programming the bot, when programming the GPT. So you have all of the instructions and prompts for that, and all of the knowledge base for it, okay, so for every single of those. So this is sort of like the unbranded Topic Finder GPT, Topic Finder, then the YouTube one. Okay, let me show you all of the GPTs you will actually find. So yeah, so after the overview and the how to build a GPT inside of ChatGPT, right? Again, you can only do it with a free, you can only do it with a paid version of ChatGPT. Remember, my case study shows you how to do it with po.com. Paid case study I give to you for free if you purchase this product via my written review down below in the description box. So what GPTs you will find? Now, the Topic Finder GPT, YouTube Traffic GPT, Tube Traffic GPT, Hook Headlines GPT, Content Repurpose GPT, Audience Activator GPT, Offer Alchemy GPT, Bonus Builder GPT, PLR Flip GPT. So how you flip a PLR into your own offer. Launch Plan GPT, the KISS model. So KISS, some say it means keep it simple, stupid. Others say, like Garry, keep it super simple, whichever you prefer. Next one, fast Cashflow GPT. Okay, how to create sort of like, I believe, the mini products fast. Okay, very fast mini products like front end and one up. So I think that's the one. I've watched all of the tutorials to do with the GPTs as well for every single of the GPTs. So it has taken me close to 3 hours to go through everything. It's very comprehensive. It's very, very thorough, guys. Next one, Lead Magnet Forge GPT, how to create lead magnets, mini course maker. Maybe that was the one about the mini product. Maybe I got confused after all. Funnel Fix GPT, what needs to be So say you have a product, okay, you have an offer, it's not doing very well. What is it about your sales copy? So from the marketing point of view, not the technical stuff, marketing point of view, what is it with your copy that you need to improve? And Garry was showing an example of his bonus page. So it applies to both, to your affiliate offers, which are not converting great, and your own products. So your own sales page, the whole funnel. I mean, the front end is most important because that's how you pull people in. But then, well, the upsell sales pages need to be good as well if you want to sell upsells, right? If you want people to get also the upsells, not just the front end. That's what I meant. Okay, and the last one, offer Alchemy GPTs, and it is an advanced one. So let me just open one of them to show you what it will be delivered like. So you see, here you have the video. So Garry walks you through how to use this template, how to use the GPT, okay? All of that from A to Z is covered in his own unique style. He's so funny. He's so, again, very genuine, very sincere. Right, so here below you will have the link to this document, which I have already shown you. So all the templates, the overview, how to use, this product, this kit, and all of that. So under each of the GPTs, you will find a tutorial on how to use it, how to rebrand it, and some like extra ideas from Garry. He just goes with the flow. He's very natural. He's got tons of good, positive energy, very knowledgeable, someone you really, really want to be around and you want to learn from if you're serious about making, bucks online and you actually are ready to stick to it with consistency and persistency. Is it persistency or persistence? Maybe persistence. It just rhymes. Consistency and persistency. I was a poet and didn't know it. Okay, so funny. I just made myself laugh. So funny. Right. Guys, I think that's it. I think the lunatic is getting into my head. It's quite late here in London. So I think I'm gonna take a bath now, a bubble bath. I'm gonna listen to Shiny Happy People, R.E.M. again. I know, R.E.M. again. Or maybe Pink Floyd. Or maybe November Rain. It's actually December Rain. Is there a song called December Rain? I don't think so. I'll have to stick to November Rain. It's a good one. Right. Guys, so that's for you. Check out my written review. My bonuses will be delivered to your Warrior Plus account. Right, bye.